Let's take a look at this example. I have two current sources and two resistors. So what I would do first, I would find I total. I total is going to be equal negative I1 plus I2. I consider this current to be negative because it's pointing down and goes to the ground, and this one I consider to be positive because it's going up. Okay, so I have I total is equal negative 12 milliamps plus 9 milliamps. So I total is equal negative 3 milliamps. Okay, so this is my I total. Next, I would find R total. R total is equal, because these two resistors are in parallel, I'm going to simply use the product over the sum, R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. R1 is equal 6 kilo ohms times 3 kilo ohms over 6 kilo ohms plus 3 kilo ohms. This is equal 6 exponent 3 times 3 exponent 3 equals divided by 6 exponent 3 plus 3 exponent 3, close parenthesis, equals 2 kilo ohms. 2 kilo ohms. Now we can redraw the circuit, and circuit is going to look like this. Because I have negative current, I'm going to draw the current source in this way. This is my I total, and this is my R total. R total. Okay, so we have to find Vxy. You're supposed to realize that we are talking about the parallel circuit. So if I'm going to find the voltage across this resistor, this is going to be the voltage across each component in my circuit. So I total times resistor R total is going to give me Vxy. Okay, so this is equal, I total is negative 3 milliamps times R total, which is equal 2 kilo ohms. This is equal negative 6 volts. So Vxy is equal negative 6 volts. Okay, so we found Vxy. If I want to find I1 means the current which goes through resistor R1. I simply divide V1 by R1. Keep in mind that, again, we are talking about the parallel circuit. So Vxy is equal to the voltage across resistor R2. This is also equal to the voltage across resistor R1. So I can say that this is the same thing. If I'm going to divide Vxy by R1, this is exactly the same thing. So Vxy is equal negative 6 volts over R1, which is equal 6 kilo ohms. This is equal negative 1 milliamp. Okay, so this is my I1. If I want to find P total, I would say this is I total to the second power times R total, where I total is equal to negative 3 milliamps to the second power times R total 2 kiloohms. So I have negative 3 exponent 3 negative to the second power times 2 exponent 3 equals 18 milliwatts. So we found the voltage XY, we found the current I1, and we found P total. We can say that the problem is solved.